guys, it's your girl P here, back with a not makeup, what are you talking about, girl? What's good, y'all? It's your girl Mr. Care, back with another video. We are doing a tutorial on my butterfly locks, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how I did my butterfly locks. I didn't really show you the whole process because I just really didn't see a point. The partings are not perfect because I do not like perfect partings for messy hairstyles. But the hair that I did use, I used, what is this? This 12-inch 160. I used, how many packs of these did I use? I used 4 packs of these because I remember I bought 6. And I have 2 of these packs left. She's fucking lying. She got 8 packs and used fucking 6. So I used 6 packs. I don't know what she's talking about. Yeah. So yeah, I'll put the information in the description box too though. And I have like 51 locks in my head. I used this, the TruEDGE. What is this? TruEDGE controller that I got by mistake, but I actually kind of like this. And I used Shining Jam. I used the Shining Jam. I used this one for mainly like ones in the back, you know. And then I used this for like the sides, like the ones that was more up the front for the sides, and my little, you know, my little edges. But without further ado, I'm just going to switch it over to the voiceover, okay? Bye. Oh, wait. I forgot. I'm going to need you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm going to need you to hit the notification bell. I almost forgot to tell y'all that because I need y'all to do this, okay? Hit that bell, okay? Alright, now you can get to the tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, I have my hair. I did little plaits. And I took 2 of the little water wave hair and I'm fluffing them out, you know, to get them real fluffy. And for anybody that may want to know, you can get 7 locks out of every 2 packs of hair, if that makes sense. You do the math. I'm not doing it. And like I had said earlier, I didn't really make my parts perfect. I don't really do the perfect parts for styles like this. Now if I was doing someone else saying they wanted it perfect, then that's different, but I don't know. She wasn't doing all that. So if she can just get this together, she just skipped this, fast forward this part yet. Okay, so this is where I use the TruEDGE Control. And then I'm showing y'all the Shine and Jam, which I use for like the back parts of my hair. And before I did any of this, I would put some oil over my hair, so my hair is staying moisturized underneath, especially with this color on it. Okay, we don't want to be getting all dry, so I am putting some type of oil on there. I can't remember what oil I use, but any oil or leave-in conditioner that you would want, put it on there. Okay, just put it on in.
You know you want this for this.
Okay, so this is me showing me putting a crochet needle in, and I'm angling it, I think, in the middle of the braid, and I'm doing it the way so when you pull the lock up, you don't really see like a part that come up. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but if y'all did this before or do any type of crochet, you know what I'm talking about. When you go to pull the hair up, pull the hair back a certain way, and you can see the part from the where you put the shit in. You know what I'm talking about. So you saw me just put the crochet and then pulling the hair through, okay? And I'm making sure that the ends and stuff, like it's balanced out. And okay, that's me showing y'all again. Okay, all right, we see it, girl. And so now I believe I'm going to put the edge stuff on there, the TruEDGE Control. Put it on my hair around, you know, all around everything. And then I believe I'm going to smooth it out a bit with my comb. Yeah, smooth it out. And then I'm going to start to wrap the hair whenever I start. I was trying to make sure y'all I was in the frame of the camera, so that's why it's taking me forever to start wrapping this damn hair. All right, girl, we can see you. Shit. Oh my God. Start. Okay. So I wrapped tightly. I'll say, I think that was between 3 to 4 times. It depends. Like, just wrap it really tight. And hold it. See how I'm holding with one finger and wrap it. And then after a while, I started just wrapping regular. And then on some parts, I did the whole thumb method where I wrap my thumb and then wrap behind it and then keep wrapping and then move my thumb. If that makes sense, you can see what I'm doing. Wrapping it with my thumb and then move my thumb. And it kind of creates the little butterfly loopy loop thing or whatever you guys call it. And then I just started wrapping regular. See the little butterfly thing, the little loop-de-loop, the little loop-de-loop. You see what I'm talking about, the little loop-de-loop. And I'm just wrapping all the way down. I'm gonna try to, oh girl, where you going? Okay, so now you see I'm getting to the end and I still have this little bit of hair left over, okay? So what I'm going to do is create a little, oh, she want to show you the little block first. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and create like a little loop. I'm going to show you again. Creating a loop at the bottom. And then I'm grabbing a small piece of the hair for that little loop that I created. And I'm going to wrap that to like create, I wouldn't say a knot, but I'm wrapping it around there. You see what I'm doing. Just look, watch what I'm doing. And then the rest of that, I'm going to wrap it back on up. And I believe I wrapped that hair the same way that I was wrapping it before. I'm just going up this time, if that makes sense. Just watch me. And then I palm roll it. You know, see, I palm roll it, okay? And there we go. We got our little gypsy lock, okay? She cute. All right, and I think I'll show you guys again with another one.
want this for this. You know you want this for this.
I'm sorry, y'all. I started running my mouth with my aunt, and you couldn't even see me doing the bottom part of this. I am so sorry. But this is the second time, so, I mean, you can go back to the first part of the tutorial if you don't understand the whole loop part. But this is me just wrapping my hair back up after I was wrapping it. And this is the end. I really said that like y'all didn't see me in the beginning of this video. I don't know why I said that. I don't think I was planning on doing an intro. I had forgot I had to make one. So, yeah. Don't pay me no mind. Now, some of these, they not exactly the same ones, but I still feel like I did a pretty good job for my first time. Some of them, they a little bit more poofy than I expected or I wanted, but overall, I like it. It works for me. I know I would like it more too the older it get, and I can do little styles and play around with it and all of that, but I like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.